Hey guys, welcome to Get Masters, and today we're testing the siren chamberlain garage door opener. Nah, I'm just kidding. It doesn't have the siren button. So I decided to put my phone into sound with the siren effect. So I do for things if there's a burglar. I just saw it, and I use my phone. And act and hold the mic button, and then use as a siren, sounding. So that's everything. I just protect my garage. So let's do this testing. Make sure this is warning. Turn down your volumes, or else you might hurt your ears because this is loudest. Okay, testing it right now. That's it for now. I hope you turn down your volume so it doesn't hurt your eyes. This is extremely loud. It is nice to protect your burglars. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And see you next time, guys. And Gap out.